one-bedroom condo unit sa Tagaytay na may sariling parking space? Yes, possible yan. Gusto mo na vacation home sa Tagaytay pero ayaw mo ng typical na maliit na condo? Wait till you see this one-bedroom unit here at Altamonte, Tagaytay. Tara, house tour! Before we go inside, isa sa mga nagugustuhan ng mga buyers dito kay Altamonte is included na yung parking space. So, hindi ka na mahihirapan na maghanap ng parking space, especially during weekends dito sa Tagaytay. Hi guys! Welcome to our house tour today. Papakita ko sa inyo itong fully finished one-bedroom unit. Ready na, ikaw na lang maglalagay ng sariling furnitures at design mo. Tara! Pagpasok mo pa lang, mapapansin mo na yung spacious living area. Since wala pang furnitures, mas makikita mo kung gaano kalaki yung space. You can easily fit a sofa set, TV console, and even a small work area. Right there naman is your dining area. Perfect for a 4-seater dining table. Imagine having a breakfast here habang malimig yung hangin dito sa Tagaytay. And of course, meron tayong kitchen area. Fully finished na siya, so pwede mo na agad i-set up yung cabinets, yung ref, yung cooking space based sa style na gusto mo. Here is the toilet and bath. Clean, modern, and ready to use. Hindi mo na kailangang magpalagay ng tiles and fixtures. Now, let's check the bedroom. Again, wala pa siyang furniture, so you can really visualize your own setup. Kasya dito comfortably yung queen size bed plus side tables. And one of my favorite part, the service balcony. Perfect spot for fresh air, coffee morning, or simply enjoying the cool breeze in Tagaytay. So if you are looking for a vacation home, a retirement place, or an Airbnb investment in Tagaytay, this one-bedroom unit is a great option. Again, this is Leng of Our House Realty.